What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. This video is gonna be active Autowerke downpipe. I know I have a mess right here. I'm getting ready to move, so yeah. I had this downpipe here, VRSF high flow catted downpipe, but this one, if I put it in the car, it's gonna throw check engine lights. So I'm not using it. I'm going to sell it. I know if I use this extension, the code doesn't show up, but I'm not going to do it just in case, because I like to sell. If I sell the car, I just like it to sell it with everything on. So that's why I got this. With this one, it's like 100% no check engine light. So yeah, I just opened the hood and look how dirty is the MST intake, and I don't like it. Thinking about taking this intake away and buy another one. So yeah, the installation is pretty straightforward. We just need to remove this cover. I'm holding the phone. See if I can do it with one hand, but yeah, it's easy. Just remove this. Of course, put it away. You need to disconnect these two sensors. Just go out. It's 2 clicks, you see? Then you press, disconnect. Just be careful, don't break it. Also, I know it's kind of dark. When you disconnect the sensors, you need to also remove the cable from this, that is holding the cable. Other than that, is 2 nuts, 13 millimeters, and then the clamp right here is also 13. I'm gonna get more light because it's kind of dark. I'm in my garage. It's cold outside. I'm trying to show you guys the nuts. You guys see it right there? Right, let's see. Right there. You see it? You guys see it right there? 13 millimeters. You remove those nuts, the clamp, and then jack the car. All right, we already removed the 2 nuts on top, the clamp. Now I recommend to you guys remove this nut right here from the exhaust, so you guys can move the exhaust when you guys remove the bottom clamp from the downpipe. It's easy to remove the OEM downpipe, taking that nut out. All right, yeah, I'm tired. So this is the OEM downpipe, VRSF, and active Autowerke. I'm tired because the clamp from the downpipe and the exhaust, that's the hardest one. And I'm doing it in jack, so if I'm in a shop or something, it's easy, but in jack it's gonna take time, but you can do it. All right, sensors are in the active Autowerke downpipe. I do recommend you guys buying one of these to take the sensors out. It's easier. Yeah, let's put the downpipe on. All right, let me turn on the light, the flashlight. The active Autowerke downpipe is almost installed. Everything is lined up. Whew. The hardest part is connecting the exhaust to the downpipe and removing the OEM downpipe to the exhaust. That's the hardest part. Other than that, everything is super easy. Almost done. Alright guys, B clamp is installed. 2 nuts right there are tight. Sensors, everything is straightforward. Like the only thing I said before, the connection from the downpipe to the exhaust, that's the hardest part. But other than that, everyone can do it. I did it by myself. I took breaks because my wife is like, lunch is ready, stuff like that. But if you do it like non-stop, you can do it in like hour and a half or 2 hours. Now I'm going to connect the sensors back and then turn it on.